Chernihiv came under a massive Russian attack in the early hours of Wednesday. The northern Ukrainian city, located near the borders with Belarus and Russia, was rocked by multiple explosions during the night. According to the head of the Chernihiv city military administration, around 15 explosions were reported in a short period of time. Air raid sirens were heard across the city as residents rushed to shelters. Thick smoke was reportedly seen rising from several areas after the blast. Authorities did not immediately release details about the targets of the attack. There was also no official information about casualties or injuries at the time of reporting. Emergency services were deployed to inspect damaged areas and assess the situation. The overnight assault on Chernihiv was part of another wave of Russian strikes across Ukraine. Ukrainian regions have faced repeated drone and missile attacks in recent weeks as the war continues with no sign of easing. The Kharkiv local officials reported damage caused by debris from enemy drones. Authorities said parts of a private house faced bad damage after drones were intercepted in the area. No casualties were reported there. Ukrainian air defense system remained active overnight in several regions. Officials urged residents to stay alert and follow safety instructions during air and raid warnings. Explosions were also heard in other parts of the country, according to local media reports. Chernihiv has faced attacks before during the conflict. The city was heavily targeted in the early months of the war because of its strategic location near the Russian and Belarusian borders. Many residential buildings and civil infrastructure sites were damaged during previous assaults. Wednesday's attack once again highlighted the continuing threat faced by Ukrainian cities far from the front lines. Residents in affected regions spent hours in shelters as emergency teams worked through the night. The latest strikes come amid ongoing fighting between Russia and Ukrainian forces in several eastern and southern regions of the country. International leaders continue to call for de-escalation while humanitarian agencies warn about the impact of repeated attacks on civilian and infrastructure. Officials said investigations into the latest attack were continuing. More information about damage and possible casualties was expected later in the day. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.